Hi guys, thanks for taking the time to check out another of my short videos. In this video, we're going to delve into the modal verb would. Understanding how to use would can really enhance your communication skills and help you express yourself more clearly. Let's start with the basics. Would is a modal verb that often conveys a sense of possibility, politeness, or hypothetical situations. For instance, when we say, "I would love to go to the concert," we're expressing a desire that's not guaranteed to happen. It's a way of sharing our hopes while acknowledging that circumstances might not align. Now, let's explore how would is used in conditional sentences. These are sentences that discuss what could happen under certain conditions. For example, if I had more time, I would travel the world. Here, would helps us imagine a scenario that hinges on a specific condition being met. It's a powerful tool for expressing dreams and aspirations. Another important use of would is in polite requests or offers. When you say, "Would you mind helping me with this?" you're not just asking for help. You're doing so in a respectful and considerate way. This subtlety can make a big difference in how your message is received. Additionally, would can be used to talk about past habits or repeated actions. For instance, when I was a child, I would visit my grandparents every summer. This usage evokes nostalgia and paints a vivid picture of past experiences, allowing us to connect with our listeners on an emotional level. Remember that mastering would opens up a world of expression in your conversations and writing. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this presentation helpful, please consider following or subscribing for more insights into the English language. Please visit my website where I have lots of information on my private one-to-one English lessons. They are incredibly affordable, and I cover all areas of the language. My courses include speaking and pronunciation practice, business lessons, exams for university and jobs, grammar, specific vocabulary, and general English. I cover every aspect of the language. Also, please visit my YouTube channel again, as I've started posting helpful short videos to help you get a grasp of the English language. So please subscribe, it costs nothing, and you'll get lots of useful information on the English language. So please get in touch and be sure to visit my website. Keep practicing, and I look forward to seeing you next time.